Hey everyone, my name is Luigi Aiden, and today I'll be showing my game Five Nights at Smash Bros. And this game has been released about a week. I would like to say a big thanks to Boybone123 and Five Nights at Alex Game Show for playing this. So this is the game, guys. Whoever didn't play this game, I'll show you. So there's a new game of Select Night. And so this is basically what it says. And thanks to Impending Summerbell for this number right there for the game. And I know you start at 11 p.m., but it's fine. Anyways, I'm the phone guy. Also, alright, so there's Mario, Luigi, and Kirby on stage. Fox McCloud from Star Fox is in there. And
hello and welcome to your new job at Super Smash Pizza, right. A magical place for kids and grown-ups alike, for fantasy and fun come to life. Anyways, welcome to your new job. I'm going to tell you what you need to do. All you need to do is look at the cameras. That's pretty simple. Well, in your office there is a door to your left and there's also a window to your right. Well, if you close the doors, they contain power, and you do not want the power to drain. Well, anyways, Luigi is moving on the first night, so that wouldn't be so bad. But also, if you see any of the animatronics in Cam 7 or Cam 8, close those doors. But if you hear footsteps, that means they're gone. And that's actually pretty good. Well, anyways, if the power goes out, the building would start going very dark, and that wouldn't be so good because we would have to fix the power the next day. Well, anyways, I think everything should be good for your first night. Good night.
alright, well, anyways, that was my voice. And basically, so Luigi starts moving at 4 a.m., but I can still tell you guys about the game. Well, I did the phone calls, and the announcer is like, you know the announcers from from the Smash Bros? Oh yeah, so that's why the announcer is the phone guy for Five Nights at Smash Bros. And basically, I also remember I showed my friend Brayden the game one time, and he thought it was pretty good. And basically, the game didn't take that much days to work on. It was pretty simple. Oh, it's 1 a.m. now. That surprised me. It's 1 a.m. Well, anyways, another thing I was gonna say is that, I also must say, if you guys know the game The Night with Ben, made by Brownie Games, yeah, it's made by Brownie Games, and it's a very funny game. And basically, it's actually like a very hilarious Five Nights at Freddy's fan game. But anyways, our power is at 84% right there. And basically, I did the drawing of the office. I drew this, and I did the camera right there, and we're still doing good. We're still doing good. We're still doing good. Well, so the window, if anyone's in the hallway, well, Luigi, Fox, and Mario appear from the hallway, and Kirby appears from the kitchen. I know you guys were thinking Mario appears from the right, but he actually appears from the hallway. So Kirby's the only one that appears from the right. And basically, yeah, so it's 2 a.m. now, and Luigi's gonna move at 4 a.m. Alright, 3 a.m. now. And basically, oh yeah, basically, like, I remember, like, when I was making this, like, there were some ideas of the game, and basically I like the idea what Impending Cellobell did, like, give the idea of the number for the game. Like, I actually like that idea. It's actually a pretty good idea. And basically, alright, Luigi's still on stage. And basically, we're just gonna wait until 4 a.m. until Luigi moves. Alright, so basically, oh, yeah, it's 4 a.m. and Luigi, yeah, there's Luigi. He just moved to the dining area. So Luigi's moving, and then after he just appears in the hallway and goes back to the party room. And then he just appears from the hallway again. Yeah, so Luigi's locations, like, he starts on the stage, he goes to the dining area, and then the hallway, and then to the party room. Kirby's are dining area, the restrooms, kitchen, and the second party room. Mario's just this, like, it's just dining area, restrooms, and hallway. But night 3, dining area and hallway. And then he goes back to the dining area. Mario does go back to the dining area. Alright, well, oh yeah, Luigi's supposed to move. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah, so just close the door so Luigi won't get in. So we just gotta wait until we hear footsteps. Yeah. That was it. Oh, hi Luigi. I see you. So anytime Luigi could move. Anytime he can move from the party room to the hallway. So if he's not in the party room, that means he's in the hallway. If Kirby's not in the second party room, that means he's in the kitchen. You just gotta be careful. Alright, just be careful. I'm just watching out for Luigi. Okay, Luigi's probably gonna move. We'll see. We'll see if he's gonna move. We'll see about that. Oh, 54 power. So I'm just gonna watch out for Luigi, and basically we'll see if he moves. Watch out for Luigi. Oh! Oh my god. Okay, Luigi moved. Alright, so 7 a.m. is about to come. It's about to come. Alright, well, anyways, 7 a.m. is coming. Yes! There it is. I hope you guys liked the animation for the 7 a.m. I did. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll send a link for this, and I hope you guys have a great day, and see you in the next video.